AUD CAD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Australian dollar versus Canadian. Before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and press the bell notification. And below the video, you will find some links. You can check them out. You can check out the brokers. You can join free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. And the one which I want to talk about is this monthly membership. If you want maximum benefits from your Forex trading or gold trading, then you can check out this monthly membership after watching this video. So subscribe and like. And coming back to AUD CAD, let's start the top-down approach with the weekly chart. In weekly, you can see we are in the trend reversal. So we are going up since last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. We have been going up. Okay, since last 1 month, we have been going up. Daily chart. In daily, we are already up. Broken the EMA, pullback, then going up again. 4 hour. We are already above the EMA for some time. Okay, so what you should do is you should only look for longs after the pullback. Okay, so we had this small downtrend, then again we touched the EMA and then we broke this previous high, then broke the previous high again. So wait for the pullback and then again go long. Okay, so long story short, look for what we say, buy or longs in AUD CAD, and I am not a scalper, so I don't talk about 5 minutes, 15 minutes. If you're into 4 hours, so go back to 4 hour again. If you're not taking any trade in AUD CAD, only enter buy after each pullback. And these videos are recorded videos. So, I record these videos at a different time. You watch them at a different time. So if you want some live action when to enter the trades, then you can go ahead and join the monthly membership. If you want some live action, for now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share the video, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you.